I-African National Congress Youth League ngokwesekwa inyunyana yesizwe yabasebenzi basezimayini ibambe ithimba lokuvikela umsebenzi ngaphandle kwamahhovisi eMinerals Council South Africa eRosebank ekuqaleni kwanamhlanje. Lolu phiko olulwisana nokudilizwa kwabasebenzi lufuna ezinye izixazululo zokugcina abasebenzi basezimayini beqashiwe.
Uphiko labantu abasha kwiqembu le-African National Congress okuyi-ANC ngamafuphi limashele komkhulu wezinkampani zezimayini kwelakuleli i-Minerals Council eRosebank ukuyoshiya usomqulu wezikhalazo ngenani eliphezulu lokuxoshwa kwabavukuzi.
Sizele ukuzoletha imemorandum lapho sikhala khona ngokuthi ama-mining companies awayeke ukukhipha abantu emsebenzini lokho sikubiza ngama-retrenchment, because sikholelwa ukuthi ikhona enye indlela ngaphandle kwama-retrenchment yokuthi abantu nama-mining companies sisebenzisane kungapheli imisebenzi yabantu. Sikusho lokho because sithi ama-mining companies le mali abayisebenzisa ukusebenzisa ama-labor broker nama-subcontractor akube imali abasubsidize ngayo ukusustain imisebenzi yabantu aba-permanent ezimayini eSouth Africa.
Kusenjalo uqhube ngokuthi intsha kuleli kumele isebenzise ithuba lokungena emkhakheni wezokuvukuza ukuze kuzophela inkinga yamazamazama.
We are very clear. We are saying most of that illegal mining, I'm sure you are aware ukuthi abantu abayenza lezi zinto they are not even documented in the country and they terrorize ama local communities endaweni lapho basebenza khona. You can see Stilfontein and everywhere there's a lot of crime, people have died, women have been raped. Now I say we believe young people and abantu besifazane, women must form companies that must do small scale mining so that it is legal and it is within the framework of the law, and we are continuing to exploit those resources lawasele.
Ungqongqoshe wezimbiwa kanye nezinsiza kusebenza zikaphethiloli uGwede Mantashe ukhiphe izibalo zezempilo nezokuphepha ezimayini zangonyaka ka-2024 izolo ePitoli, okuyilapho eveze khona ukuthi lo mkhakha uqophe kufa kwabantu abangama-42. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu ngise-Rosebank.